a well-maintained 3-bedroom freehold townhome situated within the desirable Highland Creek neighbourhood of Toronto. Welcome to 65 Stagecoach Circle. The inviting covered front entrance opens into a ceramic-tiled foyer area, off of which is a light-filled space ideal as a family room, den, or office. This level also features a walk-in coat closet, a powder room, access to the double-car garage, and access to an unfinished lower level that has a laundry area with washer and dryer, as well as potential for future living space. To both the second and third levels are oak hardwood staircases and railings, with the second level showcasing the open concept principal entertaining spaces. Finished with hardwood flooring, the living room has a warm and elegant aura and is filled with beautiful natural light streaming through its windows, while an oversized entry provides a seamless flow into the kitchen and dining area. This functional and inviting workspace features ceramic flooring, ample cabinetry storage and counter workspace, a stone-tiled backsplash, a center island, as well as a stainless steel double sink and appliances. The walkout from the dining area opens onto a large balcony and is perfect for outdoor summertime entertaining and for year-round barbecuing. The uppermost level has hardwood flooring throughout and features a hallway linen closet, a 4-piece main washroom with ceramic finishes, as well as second and third bedrooms with ample closet space. And both of these rooms are comfortable in their size and filled with natural light. Also naturally bright, the master bedroom is quite spacious and features a large double closet as well as a 3-piece ensuite washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and a walk-in shower area with marble accents. Nearby amenities include TTC service, shopping plazas, and Colonel Danforth Park, while University of Toronto and Centennial College campuses, the Toronto Pan Am Sports Centre, the Rouge Hill GO Station, and access to Highway 401 are all just short drives away.